Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your Instagram account in ManyChat. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your account, and once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on the gear icon that says Settings. Click on it, and once done, in the section, just gotta find Channels, and here we have Instagram. Okay, you're gonna want to click on it, and then after that, go ahead and scroll all the way down, okay, and you will find this section, remove, okay? Remove Instagram account from ManyChat. So it says here, you can completely remove Instagram account from ManyChat if you want to connect another page or disable the Instagram channel, okay? Again, if you want to connect another page or Instagram account right here under ManyChat. So just go ahead and do this option, but do take note that all of your Instagram subscribers will be deleted from your ManyChat contacts, okay? So just go ahead and click on remove. And then once done, check on both of these tick boxes and just type down remove. And on confirm, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can just go ahead and go back to the same set of steps or pages and just hit on connect. Now go ahead and connect with the other Instagram account. All right, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to change Instagram account in ManyChat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.